I don't think I've ever seen this many police in my whole life.
Right.
There's like hundreds.
Why is it rallying? For what?
Large-scale demonstration in downtown Seoul on Saturday, prompting police to take measures to prepare for traffic disruption and possible violence. Tens of thousands of right-wing activists, including members of the far-right Liberty Unification Party, are scheduled to begin a rally in Gwanghae.
So far right, so that means unification, so supporting North Korea and South Korea becoming one.
That's interesting.
Yeah, because this current president is against unification.
There's another police bus right behind us. That's why they had police bus. They're full of police.
Yeah.
For this.
Police buses here. Yeah.
So there's like a faction of people that want to reunify North and South Korea.
There's that.
So this is what this is what they call
wants to unify.
pro-North Korea sympathizers.
That's what Jaden told me.
Interesting.
So the buses were dropping these guys off.
And then the North wants to reunify by taking over control, and the South wants the same.
They don't
I'm sure,
actually.
right?
They don't.
No?
Yeah, North Korea wants to stay alone.
Yeah, they want the
they've
power.
got a good thing going.
There are nationalists in South Korea who want different, because the tone of the current government is pro-US, and so this current president is known for being a big US supporter. Like in the first few months of his administration, Biden came here.
Interesting thing is, I don't really see a lot of police with like any weapons. It's just
batons and the riot shields. But
Yeah.
I don't know if
most of them just have a flashing light.
Yeah. Yeah, these ones.
I bet you could hit someone with that.
In it, like toilets and
Police buses. Wow, all of them.
This current president is kind of like Trump as well, because he came from being number 3 in the race to becoming number 1.
This is really huge. We've been driving
I
like
know.
10
endless.
minutes now, and it's still protests and
Rows of buses.
policemen, buses. I think up ahead there's more up there, you can hear it.
He's televised. So they take the... Hold on. I think we need to go here. So you buy your liquor inside convenience store and then you drink it. You don't need to pay for restaurant pricing, right?
Yeah.
It's just grocery pricing. There's no portion.
That's why it's the hangout spot.
Yeah. Fortune telling. It's a one.
Fortune telling?
Yeah.
Really? That popular, huh? I mean, she's got her own store. Not a lot of places do have that.
You see them again in John. Not just 1 million, it's multi-billion. I was told.
Oh, this is a cool street. That's nice to have this walking distance from your house.
So in my closest 2 years here, this is my second time venturing out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, glad we brought you out then.
I mean, we eat here during lunch, during evening when it's...
Oh, that is cute. Good job.
Anything good?
받지 못한다.